Hey, what's up guys? So we're back in the car again and we're headed to another new destination, at least new destination for us. Today we're headed up to Panther Creek Falls up in Washington. Really excited to go check out this spot for the first time today. Panther Creek Falls is about an hour and a half from Portland, so we drive out the Columbia Gorge off 84 and then take the Bridge of the Gods, which is in Cascade Locks, head over the gorge and then just head up north into Washington. It's not too far, but yeah, so we are about 6 minutes from the falls, and yeah, I'm looking forward to taking you guys along our little journey today. So check out the rest of the video and let me know what you think in the comments below. Out to Panther Creek Falls. As you can see, this fall is pretty stunning. So when you get here, you have to park up top on the side road, and then there's ropes that you have to scale down. So I strapped the GoPro to my head to try to get a little bit different perspective of climbing down those cliffs. The rest of the crew is down yonder. As you can see, they're kind of going through pictures and photos right now. I lost my ND filter, fell out of my bag, and it actually went into the river. And I had to get on all fours. I had to get on all fours and I had to shimmy across this log and then reach underneath the log to get my filter, but I got it, so that's pretty awesome. So yeah, we are gonna pack up our stuff, head back up to the top.